Flu cases are on the rise, with the CDC reporting very high levels in Georgia. 11 Alive's Molly Oak spoke with doctors today about this year's flu season and why one hospital group is now opening a 24/7 hotline.
New year,
This is one of the most severe years we have seen in a little bit.
more flu.
The amount of flu cases that we're noticing and the increase in positive numbers of testing for flu is something that we haven't seen probably in almost a decade, honestly.
Doctors telling us this flu season is predicted to get even worse than it is right now.
We are anticipating, unfortunately, that these next few months could be pretty rough.
That's one of the reasons Emory Healthcare is now offering a 24/7 flu hotline, staffed by nurses to figure out if a virtual visit is needed.
If there's a way to preserve the healthcare capabilities and capacities, it's really to rapidly triage, rapidly, get people connected with care and with treatment. And if we can do that safely in an outpatient setting, we can really preserve the capacity of our emergency rooms and also our clinics.
Dr. Gavin Harris says flu cases are rampant right now.
I would say specifically in the outpatient setting, a lot of cases, but we're also seeing an increase in number of cases in visits to the emergency rooms.
In Georgia's Department of Public Health's latest report, there were more than 300 hospitalizations in the metro Atlanta area. That accounts for more than a third of the hospitalizations the metros had total for the last 3 months. In DeKalb County, told 11 Alive, flu-related 911 calls have increased by around 60% over the past several weeks.
We're seeing a massive uptick, so to speak, in flu cases.
Dr. Sujatha Reddy says even though it's January, it's not too late to get vaccinated.
No, it is never too late to get your flu vaccine.
Dr. Harris agrees.
There's been a lot of discussion of how perhaps the seasonal flu vaccine has not been matched that well with the current genetic branches that we're seeing. But the vaccine is still incredibly effective at preventing those severe cases and preventing those acute hospitalizations.
Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.
Sometimes it's hard to know what you have. You know you feel badly, but is it the flu? Is it just a cold? Well, doctors say the flu will make you feel like you got hit by a truck. A high fever, body aches, fatigue are major signs that you should go see a doctor.